Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we're going to be looking at 275 Rivet Street, New Bedford. This is a commercial unit that is ready to be leased. Plenty of space. Could be used as a small store or office space. This unit does include storage in the basement. There's also a small parking lot attached to this as well. Also has a restroom in the back here. That door leads to the downstairs storage. Again, this is 275 Rivet Street, New Bedford. This is a commercial unit ready to be leased out.